What are age-specific rates for population data? Imagine trying to understand a city's health without knowing how many people are in each age group. That's where age-specific rates come into play. They are numbers that tell us how often something happens within specific age groups of a population. For example, they show how many babies are born to women aged 15 to 19, or how many people aged 65 and older die each year. These rates are calculated by taking the number of events, like births or deaths, in a particular age group and dividing it by the total number of people in that same group. Usually, we express these rates per 1,000 or 100,000 people to make comparisons easier. In the United States, understanding these rates helps us see how different age groups contribute to overall population trends. For instance, birth rates are often shown as age-specific fertility rates, which tell us how many babies are born per 1,000 women in specific age ranges. This helps us see if more women in their 20s are having children compared to teenagers. Mortality rates are also broken down by age, revealing which groups are more vulnerable to certain health issues. For example, older adults tend to have higher death rates, which is important for planning healthcare services. These rates are different from crude rates, which look at the entire population without considering age. Age-specific rates give us a clearer picture of what's happening within each age group. They help policymakers decide where to focus resources, like targeting health programs for teenagers or supporting elderly care. In the United States, population data is often divided into detailed age groups, such as under 5 years old, 5 to 9 years, 10 to 14 years, and so on, up to 85 years and older. For example, in 2025, about 5.7% of the population was under 5 years old, and nearly 2% were over 85. These detailed breakdowns allow us to calculate specific rates for each group, giving us a snapshot of the population's health and growth patterns. Using age-specific rates, we can track changes over time. For example, if birth rates among teenagers decline, it might suggest successful education or health programs. If death rates among older adults increase, it could signal a need for better health care or social support. These rates also help us understand how the population is aging and what that means for jobs, health care, and social services. In short, age-specific rates are a vital tool for understanding how different parts of the population are doing. They help us see the story behind the numbers and guide decisions that affect everyone's lives. Whether it's planning for hospitals, schools, or social programs, these rates give us a clear view of the population's health and growth across all age groups.